Hey, it's Joel Erway, and today I wanted to shoot a quick video for my good friend Mike Dillard and his Richer Everyday program. I joined Richer Everyday a couple of months back, right when it first launched. I told Mike on a call that we had that I was hoping to be buyer number one, and so if I wasn't buyer number one, I was probably really close to it. Huge fan of all of Mike's products, all of Mike's programs. I've bought everything that I've seen him publish, everything that I've seen him put out there, and I've been over the moon satisfied, above and beyond satisfied with every single product. Richer Every Day is no exception. It over delivers because it is the framework for how to make the right decisions with your money. Not only that, but changing your relationship with money. Yes, you can learn the tactics, you can learn the how-to of where to put your money for investments, which are covered in here, and they are excellent tutorials and they are excellent strategic teachings. But what also he uncovers is getting to the root cause of why you haven't hit that goal in the first place. And so he breaks everything down, goes through your neurochemistry, your brain chemistry, and helps you reframe how you look at the world, how you look at your finances, and how you look at money. So you change that relationship with money. And I can't give a more positive recommendation for anybody who's looking to achieve that goal while compounding and developing true passive income, because a lot of people will throw out the term, oh, you make passive income this way, or you do this for passive income, and it's not entirely passive. It's like almost passive or semi-passive, which is fine. But if you want true passive income and you want to really change the way that you look at your finances and look at the relationship that you have with money, Richer Every Day is exactly what you were looking for. Thanks again, Mike. Appreciate everything you do. Thank you for jumping on our podcast and sharing your message with the world. If anyone wants to speak to me about the program, I'd be happy to do so as well. Thanks again, Mike. Take care.